Sinisisi ni former Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo ang gobyerno sa pagkamatay ni dating Public Works Undersecretary Catalina Cabral. Sinabi ni Panelo, dapat binigyan ng police protection si Cabral dahil mahalaga siya sa investigasyon ng flood control corruption scandal.
She knows a lot about the distribution, the assignment of all these flood control projects. Then it should have immediately trigger to the minds of those who are investigating, like the congressional investigators, the members of Congress, the Ombudsman, the ICI, as well as the Department of Justice. They should have realized that this woman has to be alive at all costs. But the government, apparently, either of gross ignorance, incompetence, didn't even think about it.
Giit ni Panelo, dapat bigyan ng proteksyon ang lahat ng mga tumetestigo sa maanumalyang infra projects.
Marami silang pinapabayaan. Ay yung mga, like for instance, yung mga witnesses, like sino pa yung isa? Bernardo ba yun? O under police protective custody ba yun? Delikado rin ang buhay nun. Lahat ng mga witnesses that can point the finger to the mastermind or the brains behind all this anomalous projects, dapat sinisecure na nila.
Suspetsa ni Panelo, may tangka si PBBM na protektahan ang sarili sa iskandalo.
Yun lang pagsabi niya na yung ini-expose niya, sa tingin ko, kasama yon sa to cover up for anything, either for his negligence or complicity. Ginawa niya yon na sinisisi niya yung iba para makatakos siya sa responsibilidad.
Hamon ni Panelo sa Pangulo, ipakulong na ang mga mambabatas na nakinabang sa flood control scandal dahil siya na rin mismo ang nagsabi na mangyayari ito bago magpasko.